Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 Kawasaki Vulcan Nomad 1600. This is the prettiest Nomad we have ever had. Fantastic showroom condition on this 30,000 mile 07 Nomad. Beautiful satin black. It's got the engine guards, the running lights, a touring windscreen, locking side cases, nice big backrest for your passenger. Make your big bore touring cruiser dreams come true for just $69.99. This bike is not going to be here long. It is gorgeous. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. And yeah, it's liquid cooled and fuel injected. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.